I'm smashing this car. I'm the fastest hedgehog around. The weight that will crush you weighs 8 pounds. You will never escape me, no matter how hard you flee. It seems you have ended your life by leaving. I will be in your nightmares. So whoever you were, I'm gonna put you in for a scare. Ooh, the military. I'm the fastest hedgehog around. In this military, you hound. Your speed pales in comparison to me. Because you smell like pee. I'm writing on the walls. I'm writing in the halls. I'm moving your truck. It seems that you're out of luck. If you dare to put me in the cellar, you'll be in for a lot of heller. Your truck is tweaking out. Just like how I'm moving at the speed of... Don't ban me! At the speed of sound. Oh no. I'm moving at the speed of sound. I'm going to be shocked. You've exploded! No, I can't climb! I've been put down. Rest in peace, Snack, the bed frog. 17 BC to 2026. Mine is beyond repair, and probably will be. Oh, I can just get it? I am moving at the speed of sound. In order to defeat the Mimic, just reset his system and be overly kind. In order to defeat the Mimic, you just have to reset his system and become overly kind. Yeah. Everyone is just dumb and hasn't tried that. That VR. Guys, it's me, Sinnoh. I'm riding the walls. I've mastered the art of riding. I've mastered the art of riding the walls. I'll ride the walls and your halls. Ah! I'm moving at the speed of sound. I'm the fastest hedgehog around. If there's vehicles, I can please make them adopt us. Get off the hee-haw Sinoc the Hedgehog, Sinoc the Bedfrog adoption story. Are those in your pocket? Yeah, screw this place. Ah! Wait, no, become Tails. Adopt Oos. Adopt Oos. It's those AI videos where it's Sad Shidletsky. I'm saying hard day. Baba thing. Baba thing. Are those eyes? Nails. The bed frog. I didn't want to be a bed frog. Nails the ox. Snack. Snack the bed frog. Snack the bed frog. Snack the bed frog and nails the ox. Snack. I bounced off your car. I love bouncing off cars and causing them to shake uncontrollably. That's not even how it works. That's not what epilepsy is. I don't think if the pool is -4 degrees, you'll die of a seizure. Of epileptic shock. I don't think that's how it works. The video my sister was watching. Okay. Nails the bed frog! Sonic the ox! Nails the ox! Snack the bed frog! Ah! I'm riding the walls! I'm riding the walls in the halls. I'm riding the walls, and soon I'll be able to ride their halls. No! No! You don't ban me! Yes, you'll never put me down. Huh? 5-year-old, bro? Hey guys, I'm riding the walls and the halls. I ride the walls. Soon you'll be splattered against the halls. Can I become more beautiful? It's not. Stop the video at 15 minutes and then record a part 2. Snack the home. Snack the bed frog. And then record. Then do the part 2. I'm faster than any vehicle. Except for all the vehicles. Was that Wick? I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. Shut up. I'm Sonic the Hedgehog. I'm Snack the Bed Frog. I'm gonna blow up the Olympics until they took my bombs. Because the Olympics. It would have been a lot better if they just don't let you use your bombs instead of getting rid of them. I have to go to House 13. Never mind. It's. Hey, Nails. Nails. I mean, a snack is going to commit terrorism. Bartology. No, why did I get rid of the bed? Get in. Using my bed. No! It's too little. I don't think that will work. No! I'm breaking in. Yes! Nails! I will never. I'm telling you, on my hair, I will never take Poppy Playtime seriously. Stop recording and start on the part 2.